Hi, this is Jamie Englert from Jewish Family and Community Services Immigration Legal Services Department, and I'm here today with another update on immigration law and all of the changes that have been happening in recent days. Two of the major changes that we've seen recently are to the public charge rule with USCIS and with the fee waiver changes with USCIS. The public charge rule was announced to create a more strict proof for applicants for permanent residence and to make sure that they can financially support themselves before becoming permanent residents and that they won't become what's called a public charge, which has always been dealt with by having an affidavit of support for those people who are sponsored by a company or by a family member. And the rules are changing to say that that's not quite enough, that they're going to need to provide some additional evidence to show that they're not going to be a drain on government funding. The circuit court declared that it can go into effect while the court process works out. So right now there are some immediate changes that are happening. We understand it's confusing. If you have questions, you can go to our website or you can call us. The fee waiver changes were implemented, and then 1 week later there is an injunction, and so as of today's date, everything is proceeding as though there has been no change. The challenges that we're facing right now today are USCIS has an overwhelming number of cases, and so things are processing very slowly. It's taking a longer time than normal to process standard applications. And the immigration court, of course, has an incredible backlog. I did want to just take a minute and talk about upcoming proposed changes for 2020 that people should be aware of. The first is that USCIS has proposed to increase most immigration services fees, and some of them will go up just a little bit. A couple of them will actually go down, but most of them are going to go up a significant amount. An example of that is that the naturalization application fee is currently $640, and it will go up to $1,170. As of January 24th, they reopened the comment period for an additional 15 days. So if you are against these changes, please feel free to go online, make a comment, and let them know why that's not fair. Another change to anticipate in 2020 is the change to the way that the administration is handling asylum applications. There will be a proposed $50 application fee for asylum, which would make the United States one of only 4 countries in the world that charge people for humanitarian relief, such as asylum. In addition to that, they would require a longer wait period for those applicants to apply for employment authorization. With regard to changes that are happening, some ways that you can get involved and make a difference are to reach out to your congressman or senator, let them know how you feel about the issues that affect you and your neighbors and your friends. You can find ways to become civically active, which is always a good thing. Or you can send donations to advocacy agencies who are willing to take up the cause and go do some real work. Here at JFCS, we love volunteers. We spend a lot of time recruiting and training our volunteers, and we use volunteers in a lot of different ways. Everything from helping applicants fill out their applications for green cards or citizenship to fundraising. If you're interested in getting involved, you can go on our website and click the link that says Be a Volunteer, or you can always call our number. That number is 412-904-5966.